Hey guys, what's going on? This is going to be kind of a low quality video, but I feel like it's important, so I'm going to go ahead and really quick shoot it. I'm running out of time, so again, apologize the quality, but listen to what I have to say. This may be able to help you. When it comes to seatbelt cleanings, I've had a lot of people ask me questions about that, and so I kind of want to show you guys here. For instance, with this vehicle, I am dealing with seatbelts that have mold on them, right? This is an older vehicle. It's a 1991 Jeep Cherokee. So here's the process to be able to clean the seatbelts. Now, I've heard of people, oh, you got to remove the seatbelts, you've got to power wash them, things like that. Those are all options, but, use your best judgment when you remove seatbelts. You're opening up liability, so make sure that you for sure know what you're doing and make sure you cover your ass. Here's the way that I'm doing it because it seems to be working. What I'm doing is I've got one of these 1-inch little clamps. You can buy these for like $1. They're really cheap. And you extend the seatbelt out as far as you can and then clamp it down so that it doesn't, retract, right? And what I'm doing is I'm using hydroperoxide, right? A hydroperoxide cleaner, some sort of base cleaner. And then pretty much you have to soak the seatbelt. I mean, you have to really be, kind of liberal with the product that you're using. Give it a little bit, give it some, stand resting time so that it can, dwell time. That's the word I was looking for. Give it dwell time, whatever you think is appropriate. Agitate it, whether you're using some kind of brush or whether you're using a scrub pad, however you want to agitate it. If you have a steam cleaner, that is a great option because what happens is the steam actually kind of it makes the chemical more aggressive, right? So it kind of activates the chemical, that heat. So take your time with it. Go a little section at a time, because this seatbelts are weaved, right? So you're gonna have, when you're spraying product on this side, you're gonna get it on this side. So just do a small section, make sure it's really clean. Boom. Then do another section and go top to bottom because of gravity. Obviously, the liquids are going to kind of run down the seatbelt, so you're going to want to go from here down. Typically, this is going to be clean because nobody's extending this out this far typically. So this pretty much is going to be clean. It's going to be really where the seatbelt is exposed in the vehicle and then on people, the body oils and stuff like that. So section by section. And then after you're done with that, you want to reset the pH. So once you're done with all your cleaning, douse it with water, and that will not only cleanse the product out of the woven materials, but it'll also reset the pH so that there's no base cleaners in the fabrics of the seatbelts. And then what you want to do is, because this is clipped, you're going to want to leave that exposed, an hour or two. You're going to want to make sure that it's super dry, because again, if you clean it and douse it with water and all that stuff, and then you roll it back up into the actual, panel of the car, and it's rolled up with moisture, you're just going to get mold again. So don't do that to yourself. So these do take time. Again, use your best judgment. Do you need to really remove them? Is that something that you should do? Is replacement a better option? Maybe that's even sometimes a better option if a seatbelt's starting to become damaged or frayed. So just kind of, again, I keep saying this, but it's super important. Use your best judgment. I'm really just trying to tackle the mold. I'm not trying to make this seatbelt look like it came off the showroom floor 1991. So I'm just trying to kill the mold and not encourage new mold. So again, that's where the clip comes in, and that's where keeping the seatbelt exposed is helping. So I mean, this looks much better than this. So I am removing stains, but that's not my goal. My goal is to make sure that there's no mold so that it's safe to breathe, right? So again, no, this was kind of a low quality video, but I hope this helps you guys. This is just kind of like a quick out in the field raw video. So again, thank you guys so much. Let me know if this helped. Take it easy.